All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Avalanche. This cryptocurrency is jumping off the charts. It's roughly around 32 to 35% up in the last 7 days. Like, holy cow, everybody. It's up 5% in the last 24 hours. We're going to go to the website, check out what's going on with Avalanche. We're going to look at their Teddy protocol that lets you borrow at 0% interest rate while the stakers are still earning money. We're going to check that out. That's going to be pretty cool. Also, we're going to talk about the new listing on crypto.com. Dogecoin Mars is on crypto.com. We're going to do a little minute or two on that. Avalanche and Dogecoin Mars is on crypto.com. And also, credit unions are trying to figure out if they can actually start having cryptocurrency that they can hold it so they can lend it out. So credit unions are thinking about getting into holding cryptocurrency. We're going to go over that. All kinds of things are going to go on in this episode today. Avalanche. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'll go on the channels to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's head over to Avalanche cryptocurrency. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. Avalanche is the 10th cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap. It's trading at $122.27. Look at this crazy growth. In the last 7 days, the currency is actually up 36%, 36.9%. In the last 24 hours, this token is up 3.31%. So Avalanche is in the top 10 of the cryptocurrencies. Again, over here to the right, it's up 5%, trading at $123. Take a where it's been in the last 7 days. So 7 days ago, it was trading at $86, and then it kind of jumped up here to 104, and then kind of came down and kind of went back up to 106. But notice again, trading at $87, and in the last week, 114, 101, 119, here we go. We went all the way up to 125. In the last day, this token has went from 117 to way up here. So Avalanche is on a super going up mountain right now. Wanted to show you this over here at the Twitter. It says Avalanche. The Teddy protocol lets anyone borrow at 0 interest while our stakers earn an income from loan fees, all fully decentralized. But Teddy could be much more. We look forward to engineering new DeFi solutions with Snowball, DeFi, and advancing the Avalanche ecosystem together. So check out Teddy. You can borrow at 0 interest. Pretty interesting there. I'm going over to the web, digitize all the world's assets. And it says Avalanche is the fastest smart contract platform in the blockchain industry by time infinity and has the most validators securing its active of the proof of stake protocol. Join the team over here to the right. Learn about Avalanche. We're going to come back on that. Avalanche, blazing fast costs and ecosystem friendly. Any smart contract enabled application can outperform its competitors by developing on Avalanche. Don't believe it? Try an app on Avalanche today. So all kinds of good things going on with Avalanche. We're going to come back to Avalanche. Let's go ahead and check out this little article about Dogecoin Mars being on crypto.com. Pretty big. So take a look right here. Crypto.com new listing, Elon, Dogecoin Mars. Dogecoin Mars is now listed on Crypto.com app. Join the growing list of 150 supported cryptocurrencies and stable coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink, VeChain, Crypto.org, CRO. Dogecoin is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency. It is not a meme coin, but a real project with stated missions of becoming the first interplanetary currency that can be used paying for transport of settlers to Mars. They're for real on this, that they want to go to Mars. The developers are also aiming to develop trustworthy community-based coin by encouraging the Dogecoin Mars community to airdrop their Elon tokens to victims of crypto scams and other rug pull schemes. Crypto.com app users can now purchase Elon at a true cost, USD, and 20 fiat currencies and spend it in nearly 70 million merchants globally using Crypto.com Visa card. You got it. So what's your thoughts there? Crypto.com listing Elon. So now you can get Elon Dogecoin Mars right on Crypto.com. Don't forget, at the end of this year, the Staples Centers is getting renamed, you guessed it, to Crypto.com. On Sunday and Monday, Even though Tom Brady's on the tube talking about what he's getting into, crypto.com's right there advertising too. So crypto.com's not going anywhere. All right, let's check out these credit unions trying to get into crypto. Right here on Mint, credit unions seek regulatory approval to hold crypto assets. So credit unions are trying to get into crypto. What is going on? Credit unions are looking for approval to hold digital assets like Bitcoin directly. Federal regulations clarify they can provide crypto services to customers by partnering with third parties. It says right here, the National Credit Administration said in the letter published last week that the credit unions with federal insurance deposit can team up with third-party crypto service providers to allow their members to buy, sell, and hold digital assets, as long as certain conditions are met. The guidance is indicative of the broader trend towards the traditional finance services industry embracing digital assets as the space grows and matures. The federal regulation recent letter confirmed that many credit unions thought it should be possible under the existing rules, giving the insurance they need to move forward with partnership. This is said by Lance Noggle, Senior Director of Advocate of the Payments and Cyber Security of the Credit Union National Association. So yeah, everybody, the ultimate credit unions would like to be able to offer those products and services directly to the same that banks can. So take a look today, everybody. Credit unions seek to get approval to hold cryptocurrency. So you'll be able to go maybe one day in the future, go into your credit union and say, I want to do a loan of 10,000 Bitcoins or Ethereum or Polkadot. I don't know, but credit unions are looking for approval. So we got new listings on crypto.com. We got credit unions basically getting approval to do cryptocurrency. All kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person know, understand, and own some cryptocurrency. Avalanche could be that cryptocurrency. Let's head over for our price prediction and check out Avalanche. Avalanche right here being traded at $123. It's up crazy 36%. I see this token going to at least $130, $135. All our information is for educational purposes only, but now it's went up. It may come down a little bit, but as it settles and stuff, let's go over to the website and check out what the website says. So it says blazing fast, low cost, eco-friendly. So I just wanted to play this little video for you guys. It's the end of everything. It's pretty freaking good. Let's check it out. So it's just kind of loading everything up here. Pretty neat. This is on Avalanche.
The global financial fabric is composed of fragmented markets due to regulatory and geographical differences. Until now, there has been no easy way to create and trade digital assets in a legally compliant way. In fact, there is over $800 trillion in world value of assets, yet there is not a unified global marketplace for them. What if we could reimagine financial markets as a unified global network, where deploying assets were as easy as sending an email? What if exchanging financial products was unified, so one could trade equities, commodities, alternative assets, and more, all on the same global platform? Ava is the infrastructure to make this possible, by enabling any financial network to plug into one universal platform. Welcome to the Internet of Assets, a global financial network for the issuing and trading of all digital goods. Ava can support such a large universal network because of its unprecedented engine. Ava is built with speed that is only possible with a recent breakthrough in distributed systems, known as Avalanche Consensus. Current decentralized networks are built on over decade-old consensus protocols that have issues scaling with high performance. But now, there is Avalanche Consensus. It enables millions of participants to validate while processing thousands of transactions per second, down to sub-second finalization times. It's blazing fast, really fast. Ava pairs this engine with an architecture that can fit the custom needs of unique financial products and decentralized applications. This customizability is achieved through subnetworks, enabling anyone to launch their own tailor-made network with custom virtual machines. Ava lays the foundation for a platform of platforms, where there are thousands of unique subnetworks that can connect and create one unified global market. An asset issuer on Ava has the flexibility to digitize any asset, starting with determining the features, such as privacy-enabled transactions. The issuer can decide whether it wants to be on a permissioned or permissionless network. The asset can be built with custom smart contracts to help design the marketplace functionality. And there can be custom conditions designed to meet compliance requirements. Then launch the asset into the global market. Ava is fast, flexible, secure, with a custom plug-and-play infrastructure that is built to serve the needs of decentralized applications, asset issuers, and financial marketplaces. Ava, your one global internet of assets. What will you deploy?
All right, pretty good video there on the Avalanche and stuff like that, kind of explaining everything. So, yeah, Avalanche has definitely got its stuff together. Pretty excited. What's possible in Avalanche? Avalanche is an open, programmable, smart contract platform for decentralized applications. Built fast, low cost, compatible dApps. I mean, all kinds of good stuff going on with Avalanche. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. Do you own some Avalanche? What are your thoughts? It's up 36%. Credit unions are trying to get into cryptocurrency. Pretty interesting on that. Crypto.com has Dogecoin Mars listed. All kinds of good stuff. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day at noon. Our bonus videos are at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock if we do bring bonus videos, but every day, Monday through Friday at noon. Saturdays and Sundays is around 3 to 4 o'clock. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, cryptocurrency is not going away. Let's keep learning, and I'll see you tomorrow.